XRP holders, we got a video for you guys. We're going to be talking about some breaking major price news we need to be talking about here. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. Hit that like button, hit that bell, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So we are starting off here on Crypto Twitter. Follow me at 323blacksea. I say, I understand why people get so excited about XRP. And here's a little chart I want to show you guys here. This is, you invested $10,000 6 months ago. Bitcoin versus XRP versus Ethereum. It's just a funny little launch here. You can see, you know, for a while, Ethereum was leading. Ethereum was doing well. And obviously over the past couple months, Ethereum's been selling off. And XRP wasn't doing much, still wasn't doing much. You fast forward here, and then bam, all of a sudden, XRP takes a massive, massive lead here. That $10,000 turns it all the way up to $40,000, all right, over the past 6 months. Pretty incredible when you compare that to holding Bitcoin and or Ethereum. And I get why people get so excited about XRP. You fast forward even more, it's still, over the past 6 months, has performed very, very, very well. Now, there are some news publications coming out here saying XRP price at risk of 50% correction if bearish trading pattern holds. Peter Brandt. And I've been talking about this for a while. If you've been watching the Crypto Report, you know that I've been talking about this bearish pattern that's been playing out in XRP. And if it does play out, there probably will be a 50% drawdown. We're going to take a look at that here. So right now we are forming somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern, and that is what they're talking about. Basically, if we were to break down from here, you measure from the head to the neckline, and that is about, we'll do some quick TA, some very dubious, not very accurate TA here. If we break down from the neckline here, you're talking about basically $1.50 XRP. And if you were to measure from where we are right now to that, we're basically looking at about a 40 to 50% drawdown, give or take, okay? Now, that doesn't mean that this has to play out, and that doesn't mean that we do get this breakdown, and this doesn't even mean that the head and shoulders pattern plays out, but this is what these people are talking about, and a lot of people see the head and shoulders pattern. I see the head and shoulders pattern, and really, guys, what it comes down to is the overarching market going to protect us and protect the bulls, or is it going to dump on our heads and we see big selling off across the board for XRP and altcoins? I think time will tell. You know, the market was green today, but then more tariff talks came out. Guys, I do want to emphasize here, right? These tariffs, okay? These tariffs come out, people panic, causes uncertainty. The first time. The second time, tariffs come out. People are worried. Okay, the third time, tariffs come out, people are like, oh, come on, again. Fourth time, people go, oh yeah, the tariffs, I get it, the tariffs. Fifth time, whatever, who cares, okay? That's how the market digests this. So eventually, the market uncertainty will subside, all right? It will subside, so be patient, guys. If you want to take advantage of this volatility, you also want to get some free XRP, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign bonus, as well as for the first 100 people that deposit $100, you get $10 for free in XRP. So feel free to take advantage of that. It's first come, first serve, guys, so get that $10 of XRP. So XRP is sitting at rank 4 right now, down about 4.73% in the past 7 days, down about 4% in the past 24 hours. Guys, it started off as a green day, and yesterday was a green day as well, but the tariffs, guys, the tariffs came out and it spooked the market. And, you know, we really are in a kangaroo market. It's very, very ping-pongy. It is not the type of market to be holding trades overnight unless you're dollar cost averaging. I'm dollar cost averaging into a few different plays. And I think that short-term, high leverage plays are good. High leverage scalping on very, very low term time frames. But if you're trying to hold those leverage trade positions overnight, you're probably going to get wrecked. Sitting at $138 billion market cap. Love to see that. But guys, you know, we've been ping-ponging. We tested 88K. It's a very important level, and we'll be talking about that here. Ethereum above 2K. Like, these price movements are so minimal, but it's really hitting the altcoins, and it's very, very ping-pongy. So we're taking a look at this $88,000 price level, right? Man, I was really hoping that we would close above 88K on the weekly time frame. We have 3 days and 22 hours left to close above it, okay? I want to see a closure above 88K. If we just close below this level of 88K this weekly, I think that probably will be the beginning of coming down and breaking down to $73,000, $75,000 territory, okay? This is the first line in the sand. The next line in the sand is 94K. And I was hoping that, okay, we'll get our first bullish signal and get some closures above 88K. But we just hit it as resistance and rejected off. So until we close above that, really there's two lines we need to be looking at. The 88K, weekly candle closures above 88K, this yellow line. After that happens, we need to get weekly candle closures above 94,000. When that happens, then I would say, okay, guys, we're probably going to be testing new all-time highs, all right? But being below that, even if we come all the way up to 94K and reject down, I still think we probably break down for the next couple months, you guys. We still have about 200 days left of this bull market, okay? There can be time of sideways chopping price action. I mean, look back here. We chopped sides for like 8 months. I don't think that's possible to happen right now, but I think that we could be in for a little bit of a sideways to the downside zone for maybe throughout Q2, leading into Q3, or maybe even just I'm really keeping my eyes on October, November, December, guys, because that is really when the fat lady sings. We'll know what's going on by that time based on the 4-year cycles. But guys, if you like this type of content, I just want to come on here and give you a quick update on XRP, seeing all these articles about, oh, it's all going to dump. It's all going to dump. It could. Yeah, it could dump. There's a bearish head and shoulders pattern that's quite large on the weekly time frame. But it really comes down to the traditional market, and it really comes down to what Bitcoin does here. And if we catch some relief here, we probably don't see that breakdown on XRP. So stay patient, guys. If you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that bell. Follow me, 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. And if you want that free $10 of XRP, sign up to Blowfin, deposit $100. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.